Hi and welcome! The next development step of Hit and Split is ready. I added a timer and a lot of other features, and the first level is already playable. Check this out. Okay, my friends, let's see what we have implemented so far. Let's start the game, and you can see we have 30 seconds to let the big mouth eat one monster and the small one will eat two. So how do we know which eater will eat how many monsters? We don't know from the start, but now we know because the big one is crawling back because he's full, he can't eat anymore. And for the small one, we have to split these monsters one time. And now we won because all our monsters are eaten up. Now a different situation. We split this one time, two times, three times, and we lose. Why do we lose? Because the small one will eat two and the big one will eat one. We will never be able to feed 4 split monsters to these 2 eaters. It won't fit, and that's why we lose. Next situation could be that simply the time is up, like here, and then we lose. Very simple. And now I will show the programming and the logic you need to implement this for the game. It is not that simple, especially if you are a beginner to programming, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Write a comment, write me an email, and I will try to answer this if I can. So let's see. I wrote a game manager script which is a singleton and has a variable called time left. This is the time you have to finish the level. And there's another variable called eat to win, and this is the number of monsters you have to eat to finish the level and to win. So let's have a look at the script for the most important parts. When the script starts, there is the method start counting. There I call invoke repeating the method count for each second. So this means the time left is decreased every second, and if the variable is less than 0, then our game is lost. Then we set the variable game over to true. Our game is stopped, and then we show the game lost panel. This is the red overlay you can see when you lose the game, and this is basically just a panel which is added to our canvas. This is the script time display, which is attached to the text that is displayed in the upper left hand corner. Therefore I use the update method to periodically display the time left variable of the game manager by assigning it to the text. The last script is the monster script. In this script, I check how many monsters are available to be eaten. I do this when a monster is destroyed and new clones for these monsters, 2 new monsters, are created. Then I call the method GameManager check monsters available to prove if we perhaps split up too many times so that not enough unsplit monsters are available to feed the eaters. Therefore we run over all our eaters in a for loop and check for each monster if we have enough monsters left to feed this eater. If less monsters are available of this split size than the eater needs to eat, then we also lost the game. I know it's a bit hard to understand, right? But as I always say, if you implement such a game, it might look very easy, but you definitely need programming skills, and it's inevitable to be able to code a logic like this. So stay tuned. In the next tutorial we will implement more levels and perhaps some sound effects, compose music. All these steps are also necessary to create a game. So stay tuned to be notified for all these steps, and please subscribe to my channel. Here's the link, And as always, I will upload the whole Unity 5 project to my Patreon, and if you are my Patreon, you can download the project from this location. See you soon on my channel.